Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, and once again, just a monster movement. So updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update that needs to be done, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $10 is one of the newest areas of support going forward, and that's what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you're to ask Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going into next week and throughout next week? If the price can stay above $10, that would be a fantastic sign of power. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 10, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, as I've talked about in previous videos this week, just continue to follow that purple line there, the 50 period at simple moving average. So as next week plays out, that line's just going to continue to move, quote unquote, itself higher and higher, hence being called a moving average. And the very straightforward way to gauge the health of the overall movement, that right there is how I'm defining the movement. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price continues to stay above that purple line like it's been doing, then the bulls 100% remain in full ownership of the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, they don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the chart has already been doing, and that is this right here. Just build those higher lows. So as long as these higher lows, or if you want to envision these as stair steps, are being put into place, then everything else, given enough time, will eventually take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So just focus on healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away and building higher lows, and sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.